Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about how to play Omen in Valorant, and this is going to be a complete beginner's guide. If you're thinking about going pro or if you're thinking about just winning more games as Omen, this is going to be your video. So first we're going to be talking about a couple of abilities that Omen has to offer. So the first ability is going to be Shrouded Step. This is basically the ability to teleport in a certain range from Omen. You can also simply go ahead and send Paranoia, which is going to be a blinding orb. It's a simple ability that you can throw in order to blind people in a close range. Then there's going to be Dark Cover, which is going to be a shadow orb that Omen can throw in order to go ahead and block sight of people. And the ultimate, which is the From the Shadows ultimate, which will simply go ahead and allow you to teleport anywhere on the map. So let's just get straight into the video.
They fear death. They should fear so much more than that. My ultimate is ready.
So Omen is normally a defensive character and you're supposed to play defense with it, but you can also play attack with it as well. So first we're going to be talking about how to use these abilities. So let's start with the most obvious, which is going to be the blind. So all you need to do, so your blind is going to go through all the walls. So for example, if people are going to be pushing that from here, right? And if your duelist wants to push even in defense, what you can do is help them by simply going ahead and throwing this blind. And if you see on the map on the top left, it will show you the entire range of where it's going to travel through. So if you see it, all right, I'm going to go ahead and do it again. As you can see, it travels a long distance, like till here. Everyone who are going to be passing it are going to be blinded and can't see things for a certain second. So if they are pushing just like that, and then you just decided to blind them, you can actually peek it and they won't see you, and you can go ahead and get the kills. So that is going to be the most simple way to go ahead and use Omen's blind. When you are attacking, you can do the same thing. So for example, if you know there's someone mid, you can just blind the mid and then get the control of sight, just like that. If you guys are defending on this place, so as you know, people are going to be planting and then moving, so you can clear one side of the site. So as you can see, if I blind from here, half of the site is going to be cleared just like that, and I can clear the other half through here. So that's the most simple way to go ahead and use Omen's blind. Now, when it comes to teleport, let me just go ahead and show you guys how you can use it. So you can combine this with that in order to go ahead and teleport without them knowing that you're going to be on this side by just blinding them, because when they are blind, they don't hear any sounds as well. So they're not going to be expecting you here. Then you can just swing it and then kill people, you know? Or there are also other multiple ways to go ahead and use it. For example, you're going to blind and then you're going to move into the site just like that. And then you can simply go ahead and flank people just like that. So it's just blind and then using the tally. I normally do that all the time. So I would recommend you guys to try to learn to combine both of these, you know, because this will be the most helpful and you can just teleport anywhere. But where you're going to teleport is going to be exactly where you place this. So this is going to be the farthest range that Omen can teleport on. So for example, if you know that there are people there, you can simply go ahead and blind them and then move straight to the other side. But this was a very bad telly because it's on the middle of nowhere. But you want to simply go ahead and blind and then try to use it as far as you can, just like that. All right, that is it about the Omen's blind and telly, right? I think you guys are pretty familiar with it. Now, you can also use Omen's telly to get crazy places to be at. So for example, this is going to be an angle not many people are going to be expecting you to be in. You can use Omen to just, you know, tally on stuff like this, or places like this where, you know, it's just random places that people would not normally go ahead and expect you to be at. So for example, if you're here defending, and you can just go ahead and do that, and as you can see, I have a very different angle than most of the players in the game, right? Same goes everywhere, so you can do the same thing even in the other side. So for example, a place where no one would be expecting you would be on top of one of these boxes. So if you just wait out here, then they're going to be surprised from your positioning. Same with mid. You can also use the Omen's ability to teleport to be on the most random places, like this one right here. No one's going to be expecting this one right here, as you can see, because of course, right? Who's going to be clearing out this when rotating? All right, now when it comes to playing Omen's shadows, all you need to do is simply go ahead and take sight. So that is what you're going to be using the Omen's cover for. For example, if I'm pushing out on the A side, what I would like to do is simply go ahead and block out the vision for the people here in the... So I would like to block out the vision for the people up here in heaven, as you can see, which will form a little smoke that will cover both the bottom and the top right over here. You could also be smoking out mid just like that when taking cover. So normally Omen has 2 smokes, so these would be the smokes that you would want to play on Ascent on A side. If we talk about B side, I'm going to go ahead and show you the smokes that I normally play if I am pushing on B. So it's the start of the round. One smoke's going to go to mid. Keep in mind your placement is going to be a very important thing. So if you place that, as you can see, it covers 2 sides, and if they have to peek, they will have to come out of the smoke just like that. And as you can see, there's no vision at all from the smoke. All right, I think that is it for the Ascent. Let's move on to the second map of the game. Now we're going to be looking at Bind. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys 3 maps that you can play Omen with. And then you can be playing the exact strategies. Just try to get the concept rather than trying to understand the exact smokes and the exact tellies and so on. When you get the concept, you're going to be playing way better than anyone in your elo.
Who will they cry for? Once they know they're going to die. My ultimate is ready.
Okay, so we are at A side. So let's just talk about how I would play Omen on the A side as an attacker. So if I'm playing Omen, so the first thing I'm going to do is smoke out heaven right over here, which is going to block out the vision from people up there. And the second smoke you can go ahead and place is going to be right here in lamps, just like that. This will simply go ahead and block out the 2 spots that you won't really need to care about, and you can just go ahead and plant and then move on. And now you guys might be wondering, how do I play Omen's smoke as a defender then? So the best way to go ahead and play Omen's defender smokes are going to be the entry point. So exactly where people would be entering your site from, that is exactly where you want the smokes to be, so that when they walk into the site, they have no vision at all. And when they simply go out and peek out directly from the smoke, you guys have line of sight for these people. Now let's just move on to the B side. If we are attacking, the best smokes I would play would be back here and one back here, just like that. And that will give me entire control of sight. As you can see, I don't have to worry about any peeking angles except for the ones of the people that are already in the site. And then I can plant and then move out. When it comes to blinding, there are a couple of places where you can play the blinds from. So for example, if I know there's someone on the back of the site, as you can see, this blind will cover most of the site, and then I can just, tally and then get your kills just like that. All right, now if I'm defending B site, the best way to play Omen smokes is gonna be, of course, you guys guessed it, the peeking or the entry points right over here. Both of these smokes will be blocking vision of all your enemies, and when they walk into the site, I mean, from the window, they just have to jump out, and then they'll be out of nowhere exposed to all these angles right over here. So that is about it. Now let's talk about how to play Omen's ultimate. So Omen's ultimate can be played in multiple different ways. So for example, you could simply go ahead and use Omen's ultimate to see exactly where they're planting, just like that, as you can see. And then I can simply go ahead and cancel it by pressing the ultimate key one more time. That will give me sight and information about the place where they are about to plant. So that is one way to play Omen's ultimate as a defender. If you guys are playing Omen as a attacker and you have the ultimate, so for example, what I would do is simply go ahead and maybe plant here, or if I know that all the people are going to be in this side and I'm the only guy who's alive, then I would simply go ahead and move to the other side, and then simply go ahead and teleport here, plant here, and then just move out, and then start defending for the round. I hope you guys have gotten the idea on how you can play Omen. If you guys understood all the tips and tricks and actually play it properly by practicing in customs as well, I know for a fact you guys will be playing amazing Omen. So if this video helps you out, feel free to comment down below on which agent you guys want me to play with on the next video. And see you guys on the next one.